If you're looking for men's boat shoes, here's a collection you've got to see. UK new and popular 2017 Adidas men's boat shoes. Number 1, most popular, by Rockport. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Adidas. Number 3. For more details about this great men's boat shoes, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Adidas. Find these men's boat shoes at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.